How to use Verizon Visible Plan feature. First of all, go ahead and download the official Verizon application from your App Store or Google Play Store. Once you download the application itself, go ahead and launch it and use it to monitor your billing. Then change your plan tier or simply request help via 24/7 live chat. Once you do this, Visible plans operate on a monthly prepaid cycle, so turn on the auto pay within the app's billing section to ensure your service does not accidentally cut off. Then all you have to do is go ahead and launch your device's settings application. From here, head to the Personal Hotspot or the network and internet function. From here, go ahead and select the hotspot option. Now all you have to do is turn the feature on. Now, once you turn this on, connect your laptop or tablet to the phone's Wi-Fi network, and then you can simply use the Premium Visible Plus travel features for global roaming and global pass and also international text and talk. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.